Hi, so in this video, it's a walkthrough for therapists using either a individual or group practice to set up Google Analytics, and then the code you take to add to Squarespace, and adding that into Squarespace will be the following video. So to get started, you'll go to analytics.google.com and click on Start Measuring. I can't do that because I already have an account, but once you do click that button, you'll be taken to a screen that looks like this one. Then you'll go ahead and you'll name the account, and whatever you put here, no one else is going to see. So it's really up to you. Most therapists choose either their name or the name of the practice. I'm just going to put my example therapist website. Great. Data sharing, it's really up to you. Personally, I leave these two on and turn off the bottom one, but whatever you feel comfortable with, there's no wrong answer here. Same thing. What do we want to name this website? Again, no one else is going to see it. I'm just going to call it Therapist Example. You get to choose what's right for you. And I'm just going to change the time zone to where I am, so it's a little bit easier. Business details. Size, for most will be small, maybe medium if you're lucky. Then industry. Again, no wrong answer, but I just find that other feels the most appropriate for therapists from all those options. Next, what this is really kind of asking about is how to set up the data dashboard, the things to show you. I find that other is just the best collection of everything. So go ahead and create from there. And accept if you accept. All right, and then for platform, I assume most of you have a website, so we'll click web. And then what you'll enter here is your website. I'm just going to do the example. Example therapist site, stream name, same thing, just when you want to name this data. Most folks will do my website. Okay, great. And then we'll create. And now you have the account. Setting up the Google tag, we don't need to do right now because Squarespace will handle that when we add it. But what we do want is the code, is kind of like the identifier for this new account. So we'll close out of here. And you'll get this kind of overview screen. Everything is good, nothing needs to be changed. This is the code you want. So if you click this little button, it will automatically copy it to your clipboard. And you can paste it in Squarespace. Close out of here, go to next. I'll say continue to home. And this is what analytics is going to look like when you log in. And over time, more data will be added here into this little dashboard. If for some reason you didn't copy the Google tag code or you need to get it later, it will always be right here. So I already have that code copied on my clipboard, and then in the next video, I'll show you where to put it in Squarespace.